How to get unbanned from Grindr. Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to get unbanned from Grindr. So in order to get unbanned from Grindr, there are different ways why your account might be banned. The first thing or the first reason might be the suspicious activity. You're trying to log in into your account for several times and you're unable to log in because of your incorrect credential and also what sort of things. That might be one of the reasons why you get banned from Grindr. In order to avoid this situation, what you can do is you can try after a couple of hours or maybe 24 to 48 hours, and that's going to prevent you from getting banned on Grindr. Apart from it, you can also check your internet connection or when the IP address is blocked by the Grindr. So what you can do is if your IP address is banned or if you're unable to connect because of the IP address, you can switch over to a different Wi-Fi. However, if you don't have a different Wi-Fi or you don't have a secondary Wi-Fi, then you can turn on your mobile data for some times and that might be able to fix it. Also, if you don't have a mobile data, then you can use or get an help of the VPN, and that might be able to help or change your IP address or IP location. And this was also another ways to get unbanned from Grindr. And if nothing seems to be working out, then you can also check for an update. Sometimes not updating your application can also be one of the major issue. So all you have to do is head over to the Play Store, and then on the Play Store type in Grindr and click the updated button. After you're done updating it, you'll be able to fix the issue. So these were some of the ways to get unbanned from Grindr. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.